I'm having difficulty with the games mostly. So I bought your study guide program and I just got this in the mail today. So I'm doing like day one logic games. But any helpful tips to get started with studying would be amazing.
Yeah, sure. Well, I've laid it out all in general in the course. So the idea is watch the course lesson videos on a particular topic, a particular game type, before doing several problems of that type out of the schedule.
Okay. All right. So the sequencing games that I'm starting with, I can always get like the first two, but then when it goes to a question that like substitutes a person or a place, I just get lost with it. Like I'm spending way too much time trying to like diagram everything. And then with taking the exam yesterday, I was like starting to guess on it. I didn't have enough time.
Yeah, sure. So you mean rule substitution questions?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a big topic. I get asked about that a lot. And I'm actually teaching a class tomorrow night on that very topic where we're going to do a deeper dive than I've ever done before, going over how to approach those questions. What I can say in general, though, is there are a couple of approaches I'd recommend. One of them is drill these. They've appeared on nearly every single exam since exam 57, which is a little over 10 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And so they appear consistently, but also infrequently enough that they still seem weird every time. But if you drill them, meaning you do only that game setup and that individual question, you will start to see the patterns in terms of how to approach them. So I have a list of those I'll send you. The second thing is use previous work. So any given answer choice that renders a previously valid scenario invalid is more limiting and could not possibly be correct. So you want a rule with an identical consequence. If it's more limiting and takes a valid scenario and makes it invalid, then it's not equivalent. It's got to be out. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.